Hello, my name is Dr. Mary-Celeste Schreuder, and I'm an assistant professor of teacher education at Lander University in South Carolina. I teach courses on diversity, equity, and inclusion in the classroom and also English language arts methods. The title of my paper is Her Voice is Proud, Exploring the Intersections of Writing, Gender, and Mental Health. The data for this article comes from a poetry writing workshop for adolescent girls that I co-created and co-led with an area writing teacher. The workshop took place in the fall of 2020, right in the heart of the COVID-19 pandemic, which is why our workshop was online. And the focus of the workshop was to write and read poetry by women about women. And this article includes a single case study of one of the participants, Celia, who was 14 at the time and really struggling with mental health. In the article, I use Celia's words through one-on-one interviews with me, workshop comments, and her writing of her poetry to examine the way that she used writing to negotiate the intersections of both her gender as a girl and her struggles with mental health. And I'm really passionate about this topic because of the timeliness of discussing mental health. Research shows that adolescents are experiencing higher levels of depression and anxiety because of COVID-19, and this is especially true for girls. So through this article, I hope to shine a light on Celia's experiences of using writing for self-empowerment and for healing, and to offer teachers tangible ways to use poetry and creative writing in the classroom for catharsis for students struggling with mental health. In the article, I also offer details about the writing workshop, things like discussion prompts, the poems that we read, the themes for each week, for anyone who is interested in the workshop format. I hope you enjoyed the article and feel free to reach out to me if you'd like to connect. Thank you so much.